Hi, this is 𝐂𝐿 from Hobo Venture. Welcome back to my channel.
Hello, handsome.
What's your name?
Nani.
You have a boyfriend?
This video is our apartment tour in the Puerto Escondido. It's a very cute little place that you can see, and there is a hammock over there that you can hang your hammock, and they provide ones. Then this is our dining area, which is we have our preferred lunch dinner here, and there is a kitchen. They come to clean the kitchen every day. And the water you can buy from the reception, which is 30 peso, 1.5 USD per 20 liter. And they have, you can see they have the mosquito net, and this is our bed, and they are changing the towel every 5 days with the bed sheet, which is very nice. Little place for hanging our plates, our clothes, our bag, and this is the working space, 2 fans. They don't have AC here, but in the night when we are there, it's about I think it's October. It's very quite chilling, the weather, so you don't need to have AC for us, you know. And there is a place that you can hang your clothes outside. You see, I show you the mosquito net here. Well, let's check out the other place. Oh, there's my handsome boyfriend. Hello, Daniel. And so, okay, the toilet is separate, so you have to go to outside, and they provide the toiletry, which is provide the tissue, the toilet paper, and they have hot and cold shower as well. It's very cute little bit. I really like this place. So this is the place that you can hang your wet clothes or your bikini or your towel, which is very nice, you know, when the sun will kill some bacteria, which your mask can hang over there as well. So now it's a kitchen. It's a fully finished kitchen, which is they have the spoon and fork and a very good knife, not this, you know, the low quality. Is a good knife, good pan, you know, and pot as well. You can see, very nice. You can see the design here, you know, very cute little place to provide the plates and bowl, coffee machines, blender, toaster, and big fridge. The most important thing that Dan's renting this place is about the swimming pool. They have a very nice swimming pool here, and he tried to catch me, but he can't. Yeah, when it's about like, you know, noontime, it's a very good time for you to jump to the swimming pool to cool off yourself. We do it like that as well, and it's a very nice for the picture. Now you see my handsome boyfriend's pictures. I'm a good photographer as well, and he is a good photographer as well. And if you're hungry, you don't want to cook, you just walk less than 1 minute this way to go to the dance cafe, and see very beautiful garden around here. I like it very much. Let's go. We go to see the cafe. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Aha! My boyfriend again.
Good. Is it the start?
For your information, the dance cafe is connecting with the apartment. The way that I walked just now is all the individual apartment, depending, you know, what kind of the budget that you want. And this is a dance cafe, and they have the, you know, social distancing. They follow the rules. They have a place for you to wash your hand. The waitress, everyone's helper is they put on their mask when they're doing the thing. And come here during the early morning. We are the first ones on the cafe, so we have the whole cafe. I love to enjoy the peaceful. This place will be become busy on like 11 to 12 o'clock. Starting from that time, it's very busy. How is the food look like? This is our breakfast. We usually to eat here on the breakfast at the lunchtime. If you came here in the early morning by yourself, you have beautiful fruit plate for you. We don't do our laundry. We send the laundry out. It's only 17 peso, less than 1 kilo per kg. Easy peasy. Save our time, enjoy our times. We really love this place in Casa Dance, which is we take a lot of photo in the pool. It's only $20 per day, renting for a month, and they have every day they have clean lady come and clean your floor, take out your garbage, or sweep your gardens. And every 5 days they change the bed sheet and the towel for you. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and like, and it will help my YouTube channel to be grow. Thank you so much, and I will find more good place, better place, good food, better foods for you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.